Hi there! Welcome to the next video. In this video, we will learn what is roadmap, how to create roadmap. The roadmap is where you can create, manage, and visualize your team's epics. Roadmaps are useful for planning large pieces of work several months in advance. Roadmaps offer quick and easy planning that helps teams better manage their dependency and track progress on the big picture. Now we are in Team Manage project. Select Roadmap tab. Create epic. Let's say my epic 1, my epic 2, and my epic 3. You can create child issue for each epic here. For example, my story 1 and my task 1. When you put the mouse here, it will enable the bar and you can set a start and end date by moving the mouse, or you can manually set the date by clicking at the bar. Then you can change start date and due date, or change the color of the bar. When you point at the bar, you see a small circle. You can create dependency between epics here by drag and drop like this. When you click at dependency, it will show that my epic 1 blocks my epic 2. If you move the bar like this, the dependency will appear in red and there will be a warning that this overlap is not make sense that epic 2 has a dependency with epic 1 but start before finishing epic 1. You can add epic to the issues on the board. For example, you want to add epic to the task issue 1. Click at three dots button. Select Add Parent. Then select My Epic 3. Done. My Epic 3 will display on the task issue 1. When you refresh the roadmap, you see that issue 1 is in My Epic 3. You can set the roadmap to show in weeks, months, or quarters. You can filter the issues by status. Also filter by the type of the issues. You can export the roadmap image or share the roadmap to your colleague by enter their name, team, or email, or copy link and send to your colleague. That's it for creating roadmap. In the next video, let's see what is Scrum and Kanban.